First of all, the applicable door thickness is 55 all the way up to 105 millimeters. Here are all the applicable places. We have the work temperature, the cycle time, so 100,000 times this will last for a very long time. The knob material is zinc alloy. We have all the ways how to unlock it. So we have the fingerprint, of course, we have the card, and we have the app over Bluetooth. Battery type is 888x3. We have the power input. Batteries are of course replaceable. Body color is silver and the battery life is over 1 year. Now let's get to the app and to the setup of the fingerprint. And now that we have power, we can check out this lock. Actually, yeah, we need to do it like this because as you can see, I have a polarizer on my camera. So that's the functionality straight out of the box. And that's how it works. It will be kept open for a few seconds and now it's locked again. Okay, it's time for the app. The publisher is Shenzhen MyHand Industrial Co. Ltd. and they have 5 apps as you can see right here. For the other one I use the WELOCK Lite. I still have it installed and there is also this, but let's actually check out the QR code. When we scan this QR code on the manual, we will end up right here. So let's click on Android and this way you can download the APK. And as you can see right here, it's the WELOCK Lite app. So go ahead, download and install this app. I already have it, so let's open it up. Then create your account, log in. So as you can see, that's the other lock right here. And now let's click on plus. This will open up the QR code scanner and now we need to scan this QR code. Easy as that. Now let's insert the ID and you can find the ID right here. And let's go. Let's edit the name, fingerprint, all right. And now we have the second lock right here. Oh no, battery on red. What's going on? No, this can't be true. Should get updated in a second, I guess. So we can switch devices by just tapping right here. And when you press and hold, you can also set it as a default device. Oh, there we go. So battery is full, of course. And now we have all the features at our disposal. For example, we can, okay, now we're connected. And we just unlocked the lock. As you can see, it's unlocked. And now it's locked again. So with this button down here. Oh, there we go. Now it's perfect. So unlocking over the app, of course. We can check out the history. By the way, if this is not working, then tap on this button, unlock it, because then it will connect to the lock for if you're not connected for some reason, and then everything else will work too. This is a little hack that I found out when I tested the first lock. So as you can see, fingerprint, fingerprint. Third time, and you can add permissions. You can check the list of all the authorized people on this lock. You can also do a factory reset, of course. You can check out the help section, big Q&A right here, and you can also check out the settings, modify the name, check out the ID, the model. We can also upgrade the firmware. That's good. And we can also transfer the authority to another account.